Are you looking for a reliable, straightforward gas furnace to replace your old, outdated one without breaking the bank? If the answer is yes, then the Carrier Comfort 80 just might be the furnace for you. Let's take a minute and look at its features and see who might benefit most from this furnace. Hi, I'm Brad from Fire and Ice. Every year we speak with thousands of Central Ohio customers about their heating and cooling needs. One of the most common questions asked is if there's an affordable furnace that can deliver reliable heat, and the solution is often the Carrier Comfort 80, also known as the 58SB gas furnace. In this video, we'll go over its features, the efficiency rating, see who will benefit the most from this furnace, and go over its cost. By the end of this video, you'll know if the Carrier Comfort 80 is the furnace for you. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. Let's begin and take a look at the Comfort 80's features and benefits. First is its single-stage gas valve, which means that whenever it kicks on, it's using 100% of its capacity. This tried and true technology will deliver reliable heat every time. Next is the multi-speed ECM motor, which is more efficient compared to older fixed-speed motors. The benefit of this motor is that they gradually accelerate to its maximum speed. This results in more efficient operation, longer life, and quieter operation. Speaking of quieter operation, the Comfort 80 is made with a fully insulated 20-gauge steel cabinet designed to keep the noise levels down. It also comes with one of the most durable ignition systems on the market. Its Power Heat hot surface ignition system eliminates the need for a pilot light, reduces gas usage, and promotes more consistent operation. The last feature of note is its warranty. The Comfort 80 comes with a 10-year parts warranty and a 20-year limited warranty on the heat exchanger. Talk about peace of mind. Before we move on, if you're enjoying the video so far, please like the video and leave a comment once you're done. We love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you may have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. The Carrier Comfort 80 furnace is considered a standard efficiency furnace with an AFUE efficiency rating of 80%, which means that up to 80% of the fuel used is going towards heating your home, with the other 20% being exhausted as waste. If you look at it in the terms of money, for every dollar spent on fuel, up to 80 cents goes towards heating the home and the remainder is exhausted. Now you may be wondering, is the Carrier Comfort 80 a good fit for me in my home? The Comfort 80 is ideal for the budget-conscious homeowner who is content with comfort in their home and does not have a large gas bill. While it is one of the more basic furnaces Carrier makes, it certainly delivers. It can provide plenty of heat for most average-sized ranches and other smaller type homes, and although it is a standard efficiency furnace, you'll still see energy savings in your gas bill, especially if you're replacing a 20 or 25-year-old furnace. Simply put, if you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and efficient furnace, the Carrier Comfort 80 is worth considering. I will say though, if your home suffers from comfort concerns like uneven temperatures or hot and cold spots, or you need more dehumidification during the summer, you may want to consider another furnace that has more features and benefits. Now for arguably the most asked question, how much does it cost? To have the Carrier Comfort 80 installed in your home, expect to pay between $3,200 and $3,800. These prices include the cost of equipment, labor, and any fees. For comparison, a new furnace replacement can range between $3,000 to $7,600, making it a budget-friendly option. Factors that can change the price include the size of your home, the furnace's capacities, filters or other indoor air quality products, the location, and any modifications that are needed to be made during the installation. Let's talk about what to do next. If you want more information on the Carrier Comfort 80 or other heating solutions, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.